Hi guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Today we are talking about my favorite system for keeping kids organized with all of their after-school activities. So I don't know about you, but my kids have a ton of after-school activities. Every day it's a different sport, a different activity, sometimes one or two different sports and activities in the same day because I have multiple kids. So to keep my life sane and to help make sure that everybody has the right things on the right day, you know, the right dance shoes, the right tennis shoes, the right cleats, I have developed a system I call the bag system. Okay, this has been revolutionary for us. It has made my life so much simpler as a mom, and I want to share it with you. Basically, the premise behind the system is that we use one bag for every sport or activity. So if your kids are in multiple activities, they're going to need multiple bags. We like to have one bag per activity per child. So the idea behind the bag system is that on Saturdays when we're doing laundry and getting organized for the week, we always make sure that the items that child needs for that activity are in this bag. So for example, this is my daughter's dance bag. Her ballet shoes stay in this bag. Instead of her having one bag where we're constantly pulling things out and putting other things in, or it's a big jumbled mess where she doesn't even really know what's in there, I like to have it neat and orderly. In the front pocket here, we have a brush, and we also have like some ponytails and bobby pins and things that she sometimes needs to pull her hair back while she's at dance class. So literally, everything that she needs is in this one bag. When it's Mondays, which are the day that she has dance, I know on Mondays I grab the dance bag and I hit the car. As soon as we're doing laundry and we come across the dance stuff, it goes back in this bag. It never goes upstairs to her room. It never gets lost in her drawers. We do the same thing for Awanas, for example. My daughter has voice and Awanas on Wednesdays, so her voice stuff and her Awana stuff go in the same backpack. I actually picked this backpack up at Office Depot for around $10. You can also get these great bags at Walgreens for around $3 during back to school season. My son, his Awana bag will have his Awana vest, okay? It has his Bible that he needs for Awanas, and it also has his book. So it's gonna stay in this one bag. When it's Wednesday night, I grab all 3 Awana bags, so one for each kid, and I know I have everything inside of there, and I don't have to worry about running all over the house, trying to find things, how to unpack bags and repack bags. I can actually even throw those in the trunk of my car the morning of or the night before, and I don't have to think about rounding everything up at the last minute where I end up 5 or 10 minutes late to everything. Hopefully that's a little helpful for you, and hopefully you can give it a try. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll be back with more money, time, and sanity savers. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.